In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default export file type to JPEGs on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. And then on the left panel, select Image, Import, and Export. And then over here on the right side, you want to just go down underneath Export File Type, Default Export File Type, click the drop down, and select where it says JPEG, and select OK. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.